Good morning to one and all. Good morning, online class students. We'll start with the session today. Topic is called as a constructor. Okay. Listen carefully. This is a very important topic. Uh, if you learn the constructor is widely used in the collections, error, exception handling in JDBC, everything. Okay. Constructor plays the main role in the Java. Okay, always constructor plays the main role in Java, and it is widely used in the Java programming. Okay, anybody knows what is constructor? Online class students, you have any idea what is constructor? Initialize the quite similar. Yeah, listen, if any interviewer ask you this question, what is constructor, you have to tell constructor, it is a set of instruction. Constructor, it is a set of instruction. It is used for initialization. It is used for initialization and instantiation. What is meant by instantiation? Instantiation is nothing word, object creation. Okay. Constructor, it is a set of instruction. It is used for, first listen, I will give the notes. A constructor, it is a set of instruction. It is used for initialization and instantiation. Always the constructor and always the constructor name and the class name should be, always the constructor name and the class name should be, always the constructor name and class name should be same. Okay, there is no there is no there is no return type in constructor. Hmm. How constructor is executed? Any idea how constructor is executed? Any idea? Constructor is huh? Yeah, when the constructor is executed during object creation. Okay, during object creation. Okay, what is constructor? Constructor, it is a set of instruction used for initialization and instantiation. Okay, always the constructor name and class name should be same. There is a no return type in the constructor. Constructor executes during the object creation. Okay, what are the types in constructor? The first one is default constructor. Second one is parameterized. Pakka. The second one is user defined constructor. Or else we'll call as custom constructor. Okay. User defined constructor or custom constructor. Okay. In this, we have two types. What you told, parameterized constructor and non-parameterized. Okay, these are the five important points for the constructor. Okay, huh? We'll repeat once again. What is constructor? Say along with me. It is a set of instruction used for initialization, instantiation. Okay. Constructor name and class name should be always same. Okay. There is no return type in the constructor. Always constructor executed during the object creation. There is a two types of constructor: default constructor, user defined constructor, or user defined is also called as custom constructor. In these two types are there: parameterized constructor, non-parameterized constructor. Okay. Any doubts for online class students? Okay. Kindly let me know in chat box. Write these points, okay? Yeah, I forgot to tell the syntax. Nagendra, sit down, sit down. There is a syntax for the constructor.
Hello? Hello?
Hello guys, kindly respond. Yeah. Oh, okay. Then I'm taking one main method. Public static. Public static. Public static. Uh, okay. And I'm giving some, for my understanding, I'm giving SOP start and SOP. Yeah. For constructor, I need to create the object. For constructor, I need to create the object. Huh? Yeah, I need to create the object. Constructor will execute it during object creations, right? How to create the object? Car, C, new operator. Okay, then what is this? Constructor. Okay, constructor implicitly will create. Uh, sorry, constructor will be executed during object creation. Understood? Huh? Any doubts in this? Any doubts? Now, if I run the program, I get the output. I will get the output. Huh? Pakka. If I run the program, I will get the output. What will be my output? Start. Hi. See here, constructor will execute during the object creation, right? Here I'm not passing any arguments. Then the uh, output will be printed automatically, right? For that sake only hi is printed. Okay. Now this constructor is called as non-parameterized constructor. Okay. Write this code will execute in the Eclipse now. Any doubts in this? Or I need to explain once again? For online class students, once again. Okay, listen carefully. See, here I have taken class as a car. Okay. Huh? Always the constructor, this is the constructor. Okay. Always the class name and constructor name should be same. Okay. In this parameter, I'm not passing any values. I'm not passing any inputs or any arguments. Okay. But I'm printing the statement as a hi. Okay. Then in main method, for my understanding, I put system.out.println start, system.out.println stop. Okay. For I told in beginning only, constructor will execute it during the object creation. Okay. Mandatory, I need to create the object. Okay. See, here I am calling the constructor, but here I am not passing any argument. If I pass any arguments, I need to pass here also, right? If I not pass argument, it will automatically print as a I. Clear? Understood, Sanjay and Sai Charan? Show me the thumbs up in chat box. Okay, we'll see in Eclipse now. Okay, now how to create the project file, new. Otherwise, there is a shortcut key also, Alt Shift N. Okay. Uh, Here I'm creating the project name as a constructor. Okay. What is the next step? Go to the SRC, right click, new package, com dot Amazon. Okay. Every time we stand for it's boring. Okay, now next control n uh, class. Okay, what is the class name? Car. Okay, I will remove the public. Then how to uh, always the class name and constructor name should be. See, you have to tell me, no. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೇ. ಹಾ, car C is equals to new car construct. Okay, for my understanding, always execution starts from the, then start will be printed and these control goes to if I run the program, we get start, hi and stop. Okay. See what happens. No, how Java will understand. No, listen here. First, it will execute the main method. Okay. Then it will check the scopes. Okay. Then start is printed. Okay. Here I'm calling the constructor. Car. This control will goes here. Okay. It will check whether it is you are passing some parameter or not. If you are not passing the parameter, and this output statement will be printed. Then control comes here and it will printed as a stop. Understood? Clear? Okay, write the program. We'll start with another example. And we'll make some comment here. Non-parameterized. Non-parameterized custom constructor. Execute program in the laptop. Okay, listen. I'm creating another class. Control N class enter. Here I'm creating another class name as a bike. Okay. I'm removing the public. Okay. Here, how to create the constructor? Always the class name and constructor. Please respond. Class name and constructor name should be. See here, I'm passing some parameter int cost. Okay. Here, I'm implementing into the printing statement, then main method. For my understanding, start and end. See, here I'm creating one object. How to create the object? Bike B is equals to new. I'm teaching to any wall or projector here. Bike B is equals to new bike. Why it is showing error? Compiler is scolding you nicely. Above, below, passing some parameter here. Then it is error, right? Here I will pass some parameter like 1000. Okay. Now if I run the program, I'll get the start cost 1000. Okay. Now if I run the program, start 1000 and stop. Okay. No? Control A, Control I, Control S. Okay. Here I will make the comment as a parameterized custom or user defined construct. Any doubts in this? Guys, any doubts in this? Okay, here I'm taking another class. Now you cleared with user defined constructor, like you know how to parameterize constructor also, non-parameterized. Okay, then I'm taking one another class name. I'll take a class name as a pen. Okay, na? Okay. So what happened? No, I'm taking one main method where I'm creating one object. Pen is equals to p new. Now what happened? Now if I run the program, you know what is happening? Any idea? What is happening here? It is a default constructor. Okay, if you are not passing any constructor, okay, it will automatically Java implicitly will create the constructor. Okay, how Java will think? No, see, you are not explicitly or not printing any constructor here. Okay, if you are not explicitly printed, Java automatic, because I told in starting constructor is a mandatory. Okay, for every Java program, for upcoming Java programming. If you are not presenting, Java will understand like this. Okay, now Java implicitly will create like this. Okay, Java only implicitly will create like this constructor. Okay, in this constructor we cannot always, the default constructor will not accept any values and any implementation. Okay, huh? Implicitly. Understood, huh? Okay, write this program. I will give some note here, note points. In default constructor, it will not accept any arguments on any implementation. It will not accept arguments also, implementation also. Okay. While the object creation, automatically constructor is created. Okay. If you are passing the constructor, you will get the output. If you are not passing the constructor, Java implicitly will create the constructor. Understood? This is called as a bolt constructor. Done, no? Okay, take a note points. In default constructor, it not accept any arguments or implementations. It will not accept any arguments or implementation. Okay. Next point. In every Java program, constructor is mandatory. In every Java program, constructor is mandatory. If you are not seeing it, it will accept by implicitly. If you are not seeing it, it will accept by implicitly. The next point, this is the very, very important point. Okay. Both type constructor cannot be presented at a time. What is this meaning? Both type constructor, it should be not present at a time. See, either default constructor should be present. Okay, listen here. Either default constructor should be present, or else parameterized constructor or non-parameterized should be present. Okay, in Java programming, we can't do both at a time. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, both the type of constructor will not present at a time. It works like a vice versa. Okay, it works like a vice versa. Huh? Second line. In every Java programming, constructor is mandatory. If you are not seeing it, it will accept by implicitly. Okay. We'll see one more example, last example. We'll see. Okay. I'm taking a class name as a student. Okay. Taking class name as a student. Okay. Now, in this student, I'm initializing. I will remove the public int age. This is static or non-static? Yeah, sir, it is non-static because I'm not using any static keyword here. Okay. This is which type of constructor? Parameterized constructor. Okay. Age is equals to. Okay. Then main method. Okay. Here I need to create an object, right? When constructor methods are there, object creation is mandatory. New student. See, if I not pass the arguments, the compiler will slap you nicely. Alva. Here I need to pass some values. Okay, like 21. Okay. If I run the program, I will get the output as 20. What happened to this? Huh? Yeah. So sys out. How to print the constructor? Using the object reference. Object reference dot operator and and constructor name or variable name. Constructor name or variable name. Variable name, right? S1 dot age. Okay. If I run the program, I'll get output as 21. Okay. Okay. Wait. I'm creating another object student S2 to new student giving value as a 22. S2 dot a no, I will got the 21 and 22. Okay. Sir, how Java will understand? How Java will understand this program? Any idea? First, it will run the main method. Okay. Then control goes here. Then control comes here. Okay. 21 will pass to this int. Okay. Then 21 comes here. 21 will be storing in this variable. Okay. Then again control comes here. Okay. Then 21 is 20. After 21 stored here, the control comes here. Okay. The age 20 will be 21 will be printed. Okay now. Then again control comes here. It will store 22. Again control comes here and you will get the output as a 22. Understood this? Okay. Write the program. Execute the program. Yeah, I will teach you this also. Right. Be patient. Uh, know about what is constructor and types of constructor. We have solved on the practical problems also, right? Okay. Now listen. Any idea what is local variable and global variable? Already know, I guess. Yeah, tell me. Which one? Local variable. What about global variable? All over the program. Yeah, it's true, it's true. What you told, it's correct. Okay. Class, yeah, this is the class body. Okay. The global variable always should be within the class scope. Okay. The global variable always should be within the class scope. Okay? So, this is called as a global variable. Okay. This is called as local variable. Okay. Always global variable, it should be within class scope. Either should be before the main method, after the main method, it's your wish. It's a programmer wish. Okay. But the local variable always should be within a method scope or constructor scope or else a block scope. Okay. Local variable should be always within method scope or constructor scope, or within scope it should be present. Then only we'll call it as a local variable. Global variable is also called as member variable. Okay. Global variable, it is also called as member variable. What is variable, sir? What is variable? See, there is one schematic diagram. What is variable? Variable, it is a container. He respond, yaar. Variables, it is a container. It is used to store a single value. Okay. In variable, we have two types: global variable, global or member variable, and local variable. Okay. Global variable should always be either static or non-static. What about local variable? Okay, it should be always non-static. Okay. Huh? This is the diagram. Okay, now. Hmm. Huh? Local variable, non-static, huh? Or only static? Huh? Any idea? We'll call only static. Huh? Local variable. Can I make local variable as a static? Is it? Not possible. Yeah. I will teach you in practice. Just you write like this, okay? Uh, Only the global variable can access only static and non-static. For local variable, you leave like this only. Okay, now I will teach you in practical. Write this example as a schematic diagram. I will give the notes. Okay. Okay. Just concentrate. Just concentrate. Where is my Eclipse? Okay. Here only I will create on diff. Otherwise, I will create on separate project. Okay. New project. Global variable. Assign. Global variable. Be creating one package. Com data. Amazon. Okay. I'm creating one class name as a monkey. So where that class, where that the global variable should be present within this class scope, right? Global variable or member variable. I'm taking one like one variable, a double height is equals to 5.5. So this is static or non-static? Huh? Non-static, right? We'll call this one as global variable or member variable. Okay. Here again, I'm taking one method. Okay. Here, if I present one variable, double x is equals to 4.4. What is this variable called as? Local variable. Okay, if I present variable within the scope, it is called as local variable. Okay, then where I should give the okay, sys out. You know, then I'm taking on main method. If I run this non-static variable and non-static method, I need to create the object, right? How to create the object? Monkey m is equals to new monkey. Okay. How to run the method? M dot M dot. This way. Now tell me what will be the output. Now tell me what will be the output. What will be the output, guys? 5.5, 4.4. What is showing 5.5? What about 4.4? Huh? Yeah, I'm not printing X. Okay. If I give sys out as X means I'll be getting 5.5 and 4.4. Okay. You know, no. Listen. This I will make a okay. Let it be there. Okay, now if I make double height is equals to 4.4. Now what will be the output? Paka. Sir, you are given 5.5 also, sir. Just think. What will be the output, boys? 4.4 and 4.4. If I make this as a comment, what will be the output? 4.4. How, sir? Any idea? Whenever the global variable name, local variable name are same, local variable will be dominant for the global variable. It means whenever the global variable and local variable are same, the local variable will be more powerful, okay, rather than global variable. For that sake, local variable will be executed. Okay, now if I run the program, I'll be getting output as a 4.4. Understood? Sir, I need both 5.5 and 4.4. What to do? Any idea? I need I need both the output now. Any idea? Printing main method. No. In this only I should use some changes. I need both the output. I need to print this value before the item here. If I print here, I will get 5.5 and 4.4. My question is, I need 5.5, 4.4. Okay, so okay. What's your dot? Uh, I need to copy this one. I need to remove or copy. Copy. It's showing 5.5. This is the correct procedure. This is the correct procedure. This is the correct procedure. I need both 4.4 and 5.5. Okay. Now it is showing 5.5 and 4.4. I need 4.4 and 5.5. See, as you told, if I give printing statement, it is giving 5.5 and 4.4. I need 4.4 and 5.5. In output console, I need 4.4 and 5.5. Whenever the global variable name and local variable names are same, we have to make use of this keyword. Okay, we have to make use of this keyword in the printing statement. This dot. Now I'm getting 4.4 and 5 point. Whenever the global variable name and the local variable names are same, if I need both the value, I need to make use of this statement. Okay. Yeah, write the program. We'll do one more program. See, I'm taking an example, class name as a person. Okay, na? Class name as a person. Okay, then I will remove the public. Okay, here I'm taking some default value as a int age. Here I'm taking one constructor. Always constructor and class name should be same. Okay. Here I'm passing that the same variable into this string. I'm passing a parameter of the same these variables. Okay. Now what I should do? If there is same name, what I should do? I should make use of this dot age is equals to age. Listen carefully what I'm doing this program. You have to follow the same step in collections also. Okay now. This dot. This is how the programmer should be doing. Widely we will be using like this. Okay. This dot age is equals to age. This dot name is equals to name. Okay now. Then main method. This constructor part is there, no? We'll be using everywhere after this upcoming parts. Okay, person p1 is equals to new person. Then I should pass some values in 20 term. Okay, then again I'm creating one another object. Okay, person p2 is equals to new 21. Yes, 10. Okay. Now if I run the program, I'll be getting 20 term. Why it is showing? Why it is it's not showing? Huh? Here I should print p1 dot p1 dot p1 dot 20 term 21 team. Okay. How Java will understand? How Java will understand? First, it will start from the main method. You are creating an object. Listen carefully. Okay. First, you are always starts from the entry point of the Java program is the main method, right? You are creating some new here. Okay. Object will be stored in which area? Okay. When you create it, this variable will be stored here. Int age. Age is the default value, right? Then int. Oh, sorry, string name as a what is the string default value? What is the string default value? Null, right? Okay. Then the default value is stored. The control goes here. Okay. You are passing some parameter. The 0 will become 20 and the name will become Tom. Okay. Then again control comes here. Again it will create a new memory space in the heap area. Okay. Then the age will be become 21. The name will be become Tim. Okay. Then you will get the output as a 20 Tom, 21 Tim. Any doubts in this? Any doubts? Oh, Okay, write down, write down, write down.